How to use letters on iPhone dial pad. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. The phone app is the central hub for making calls, managing contacts, and checking your call history. Once you're here, tap on the keypad tab at the bottom of the screen. The keypad allows you to dial numbers or use smart dialing to quickly find contacts. To find a contact, just press the number keys that match the letters in their name. As you type, your iPhone will instantly suggest contacts that match the number sequence. It will display matching results at the top of the screen. From here, you can tap on a contact to call them or to view their details. Following these steps, you can easily use letters on an iPhone dial pad. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.